firstly, if God does not exist, then objective moral values cannot exist. We spoke about this, I think, the second session. Objective moral values, the objective truth, not subjectively what is right and wrong. There is an objective moral standard that all of us understand, regardless of what environment we grew up in, regardless of where we were, and regardless of what family we came from or what part of the world we came from. Each one of those, in its context, has understanding there is a right and there's a wrong. Whether people choose to do right and wrong is a different thing. But we cannot have a subjective view of moral standards. There is a right and there's a wrong. There's only one truth. So we understand that, number one, evil exists. Because if there was no moral objective standard, we could say evil doesn't exist. Well, the fact of the matter is evil does exist, right? We know that there's things that are wrong in our world. We know that there are things that are not right. We know that there's an opposite to good, and it's evil. So we understand evil does exist. And so if evil exists, then we need to understand that moral values do exist. That there is a moral standard, an objective way to view things. And it's not subjective. I cannot decide for myself what I think is right and what I think is wrong. Right? I can lie to myself and think what I'm doing is right or think what I'm doing is wrong. But the fact of the matter is there's still a standard. There's a plumb line. There's a specific distinction between what is good and what is not good.